Oh, you look like somebody who could use some tech news. Well, I'm happy to oblige. Aren't you tired of video game consoles that just look like boring rectangular boxes? Wait, you aren't? Well, Sony says you do want it, as those rumors we saw of a PlayStation 5 with a V-shaped cutout look like they may be true. A photo of a PlayStation 5 dev kit has been leaked, and sure enough, the thing appears to have a giant angular vent sitting right on top of it, kind of making the whole console look like some kind of receptacle for chip dip. Additionally, it looks like there's a camera built into the front of the unit, which might be for live streaming. Huh. Although the design has already caused some outcry among PlayStation fans, it might also be a sign that the console is powerful enough to need more elaborate cooling, like how the Death Star had that trench for its thermal exhaust port. Slightly different, and also it's a dev kit, so the production design will probably be slightly different, but hey, let's get upset, why don't we? It's been widely reported, including by us, that the Google Pixel 4 has a pretty serious security flaw in its Face Unlock feature, which will unlock the phone even if the user's eyes are shut. So for example, if you're sleeping, someone could just hold your phone up to your unconscious mug and access all of your data that way. And to add insult to injury, Google has simply advised users to keep their phone in a safe place. But the good news is that they are working on a setting that will require the user's eyes to be open to unlock the phone. Imagine that. However, this feature is not going to be making its way to the phone immediately, with Google saying it will be delivered in the coming months. So maybe make sure you're still requiring a PIN in the meantime, and also that your roommates aren't complete D-bags. Can we say D-bags? I think so. Although no one really seemed to care that much about Google Glass or Microsoft's HoloLens, Apple hasn't given up on the concept of the augmented reality headset, as a new report indicates that Cupertino wants to get its own AR headgear to market sometime next year. With the iPhone's processing power increasing, Apple wants to take advantage of that by rolling out a headset to beam things like text messages, map information, and video games straight into Dennis's eyeballs. Would you even want that?
I like anything in my eyeballs.
I don't know about that. However, Apple is still reportedly searching for a killer app, so to speak, for the new headset, so we may not see it until 2021 if Apple doesn't think it can present users with a really compelling use case. But I personally can't wait to strap more crap I don't need to my face. That's not true. These are even annoying. But apparently, you guys don't like me without my glasses, so...
Your face doesn't matter.
Your face doesn't matter. Today's Quick Bits are brought to you by Brilliant, the site that helps you become better at math and science by wearing glasses. Nope. Featuring courses with storytelling, code writing, and interactive challenges, you'll be sure to come away better at problem solving. For example, check out their course on differential equations, which explores real-world examples and helps you learn actively, not passively. With over 50 courses, there's something for everyone, so click the link below, and the first 200 people to do so will get 20% off an annual premium subscription. Wow. Quick Bits? Weird. In a piece of news that should surprise no one, both the Google Home and Amazon Echo speakers have flaws that allow malicious apps to easily listen to users. Germany-based security research labs created 8 different apps for the device to demonstrate just how easy it was to eavesdrop with some simple coding tricks. Google removed the apps and said it was working on prevention methods, but gave no other details. So I think I'll stick to punching my keyboard like a caveman for now. Much easier. I don't know about you, but I think of my car as an extension of my own personality. That's not true. Maybe John does. And some new tech from Hyundai might make this even more true, as the company announced it's working on a smart, machine learning-based cruise control project. The idea is that it will learn how you drive using factors like acceleration patterns and how closely you follow other cars, and then mimic your style, though it won't learn unsafe behavior, so don't expect it to do 100 miles an hour in the right lane for you. It's easy enough to tell when food is going to expire if you buy it at the local supermarket, but it's a lot harder if you have it shipped to you. And lots of Amazon's third-party sellers are catching heat for just that issue, as over 40% of sellers have been reported for sending expired food, including year-old brownies. It's a good vintage. Someone should probably tell them processed cakes don't age like fine cheeses or wine. I already made that joke. It's hard, you know, life's hard. BlizzCon is just around the corner, and if you've been hankering for a sequel to Overwatch and don't care about boycotting things, rumor has it that you're in luck, as Overwatch 2 sounds like it'll be announced at the event, although there's no word on when it might be released or if it'll truly be a standalone title. Diablo 4 is also expected to be announced, so hopefully you'll have some Blizzard game in your hands soon that'll tickle your fancy. John hasn't been paying attention to the other part of the Blizzard news cycle. Anyways, never mind. And if you ever thought your toilet was too low tech because you don't live in Japan, I know I have. A startup called Shine Bathroom thinks it has the answer with a toilet accessory that can alert you via phone if there's a mechanical problem and ship you parts you need to fix it, as well as sanitize your crapper with electrolyzed water. Does that work? You can buy it now for $100 and have it shipped to you in February, hopefully in time to impress your Valentine's date. Very romantic. Take a look at my super cool pooper. That could be taken many ways. All right, that's it for today, so come back on Wednesday, guys. You might still be single in February, but we'll always be here for you. Techlinked, we can replace human connection, probably. I'm out. See you later. Love ya.